Are you like us who have watched thousands of YouTube videos telling you it's possible to make hundreds of thousands of dollars online using Chat GPT, but don't actually provide context into how to do this? Well, this video is not going to be like that. In today's video, we're going to be sharing with you two powerful strategies that can help you to actually make money with this incredible technology. So for those of you who don't know us, my name is Samuel.
My name is Caleb.
And we are the Ayotunde brothers, as you can see from the name of the channel. We make finance videos, artificial intelligence videos, and basically online wealth creation videos. So if this is something you find valuable, please leave a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. So, strategy 1, content creation. The first step in creating content with ChatGPT is to pick a niche. You can do this by telling ChatGPT to recommend to you 10 niches you can create content on in 2023. These niches has to align with your passions, your interests, and something that can actually grow your audience. So you can then filter out the niches that you don't necessarily want to do, then pick the niche that best suits what you want to do.
Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to figure out your monetization strategy. There are various ways you can monetize your content, but one popular method is by selling digital products and services related to your niche. For example, if you're in the personal development niche, you could sell and create ebooks relating to personal development niche, or you can create coaching sessions to teach people online. But these are valuable offerings that can provide a passive income stream for you. But it's very compulsory to figure out your monetization strategy before you're creating content. Because if you do this, this will create clarity and you actually know how you can make money from making this content.
Once you figure out your monetization strategy, the next step is to actually create this content. So, when creating content, there are two things to keep in mind. You can create faceless content, or you can create content in person. That's by recording with a camera or with your iPhone. When creating content, the next thing to think about is the software you're going to use to create this content. Because of AI now, we can create content using artificial intelligence, so you don't really need to go and use the traditional editing softwares, especially for beginners. But the thing to keep in mind is, if you are new to content creation, the easiest way to create content right now is through artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence like Flicky has made it easier than ever before to actually create both long form and short form content. If you want to see a tutorial on how to do that, click on the video that pops up here after you watch this video. So, for those of you who want to create content with traditional editing softwares, but you are beginners, I recommend CapCut. CapCut is an amazing video editing software that's very user-friendly and good to learn for beginners.
Once you've created your content, it's time to share that content with the world. Utilize all the major social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and even Rumble and Pinterest. Each platform has its own benefits and you can help yourself to reach larger audiences by posting in each of these platforms. Remember, consistency is key, and with consistency you can build a larger and loyal following.
And there are also two things to keep in mind when posting content. You can post long form and short form content. Long form content are content ranging from 12 minutes to over an hour, while short form content are content within a minute. Short form content are the trend these days, and it allows you to grow an audience quicker, especially on multiple social media platforms. While long form content is more of the traditional way of creating content, like the example of this content we are creating right now. But long form content helps in longevity and it helps in monetizing your audience for YouTube ad revenue. But whether you are creating long form content or short form content or both, it is very important for you to apply consistency and figuring out the right schedule for your posts. Now that we've talked about the first strategy, let's dive into the second strategy. Strategy 2 talks about how to start an online business using ChatGPT and artificial intelligence. With the power of artificial intelligence, AI can assist you in offering amazing online services like copywriting, paid ads management, content writing, and even selling digital products like ebooks. The value of these skills can be in high demand in today's digital age. So it's important for you to utilize artificial intelligence with these online businesses to help create amazing services to your clients.
With ChatGPT, you can provide top-notch services, whether it's crafting persuasive sales copies or creating engaging social media content. But with this powerful AI tool, you can streamline your workflow and it can help you deliver exceptional results to your clients. ChatGPT and AI tools can help you automate businesses that you do and can help you deliver quality services in no time to your clients.
You don't need to spend hours anymore creating the services or creating the digital products you're going to sell. Within seconds, you can create and deliver the services you are rendering to your clients and create your digital products to sell online. You can even use ChatGPT to figure out the target demographic for your products or to figure out the target demographic for the services you want to render to your businesses. So, how can you actually make money using this strategy? Well, you can do this by creating a landing page showing your services or your digital products, or you can upload your services on freelancing websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or ZipRecruiter. By leveraging artificial intelligence and your own expertise on the niche and on the digital service or products you're rendering, you can deliver amazing products and services to your clients or to your customers with ease. So, when using this strategy, it's important for you to niche down and be very specific on the services and on the products you're selling. And remember, to make as much money as possible, you must sell high-ticket products and high-ticket services. High-ticket products and services are services that are ranging from over $1,000. For example, let's say you are selling an high-ticket service for a paid advertising agency. So, you're recommending paid adverts to your clients. For you to make as much money as possible with this, you will use ChatGPT to automate the process of paid advertising. That is, figuring out the target demographic of the business, figuring out the creatives you're going to use for the adverts, and then you're going to charge high-ticket offers for your services. That means these are offers ranging from $1,000 over to tens of thousands of dollars. And this varies from the clients you are recommending your services to. So it is very important to sell high-ticket offers and look for high-ticket clients.
Congratulations, you've just discovered two powerful strategies to monetize with ChatGPT and AI. Whether you choose content creation or starting an online service business, remember to stay focused, provide value to people, and adapt to the ever-evolving digital landscape. Now go out there, unleash your creativity, and turn your passion into profits.
So if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. It helps with the algorithm of our channel. Subscribe and turn on post notifications. We'll see you in the next one.